Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islam Studies of National English School, Morning Shift, Bonasi, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islam Studies class for the students of class Nursery. Our today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Revision class. Today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. This is revision class of annual term. Look, today's lecture number 13 and I will give HW which number will be 12. Okay dear students, let's come to the board and watch how I write down the Arabic letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Twa, Ra, Ain, Goin, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Okay dear students, now I will give double Jabur. Okay dear students, there are three kinds of tanween. Double Jabur, which it is used below the letters, this is called double Zer, and when used round head two signs on the letters, this is called double pesh. Today I will take class only double Jabur. Okay, so Alif dui Jabur, An, Ba dui Jabur Ban, Ta dui Jabur Tan, Sa dui Jabur San, Jim dui Jabur Jan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Kha dui Jabur Khon, Dal dui Jabur Dan, Zal dui Jabur Jan, Ra dui Jabur Ron, Za dui Jabur Zan, Sin dui Jabur San, Shin dui Jabur Shan, Sod dui Jabur Son, Dod dui Jabur Don, To dui Jabur Ton, Za dui Jabur Zon, Ain dui Jabur An, Goin dui Jabur Gon, Fa dui Jabur Fan, Kof dui Jabur Kon, Kaf dui Jabur Kan, Lab dui Jabur Lam, Lan, Mim dui Jabur Man, Nun dui Jabur Nan, Waw dui Jabur Wan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Hamza dui Jabur An, Ya dui Jabur Yan. Okay dear students, now I will recite again with double Jabur. Alif dui Jabur An, Ba dui Jabur Ban, Ta dui Jabur Tan, Sa dui Jabur San, Jim dui Jabur Jan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Kha dui Jabur Khon, Dal dui Jabur Dan, Zal dui Jabur Zan, Ra dui Jabur Ron, Za dui Jabur Zan, Sin dui Jabur Shan, Sin dui Jabur San, Shin dui Jabur Shan, Sod dui Jabur Son, Dod dui Jabur Don, To dui Jabur Ton, Za dui Jabur Zon, Ain dui Jabur An, Goin dui Jabur Gon, Fa dui Jabur Fan, Kof dui Jabur Kon, Kaf dui Jabur Kan, Lam dui Jabur Lan, Mim dui Jabur Man, Waw dui Jabur Nun dui Jabur Nan, Waw dui Jabur Wan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Hamza dui Jabur An, and Ya dui Jabur Yan. Okay dear students, now I will give HW on the basis of today's lecture. This is your HW. Write today's HW number 12. Write Arabic letters with double Jabor. Okay, dear students, this is HW. Write Arabic letters from alif to ya with double Jabor. Okay, dear students, you have to memorize that. Now, which lecture will be held? It is the very important topic on the very important topic for your annual exam. Such as there are three kinds of tanbin, but with double Jabor, it is the very important for your annual exam. So you have to practice more and more at your home and do your HW very carefully and completely, because HW is the very important for you. We will give the city marks and diary marks according to your performance of HW. So you have to do your HW and submit your HW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm by your guardians or any other persons. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.